Hope everyone's having a good morning. About 15 minutes until market open. And really quick, I kind of wanted to go over. Okay, so stocks are heading for a mixed open, right? Goldman Sachs predicts high probability of another OPEC production cut. So that means high probability that they're gonna cut the amount of oil that they're producing. Deutsche Bank sees another 25% to the downside, all right? Fed President Bullard says Fed will likely have to keep rates above 5% into 2024 to succeed in taking inflation down to where they want it to be. 5%. Most talked about stocks in retail have been Tesla, Apple. So Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, CD, Chin Data Group Holdings. Yeah, there has been a lot of stuff going on with the China stocks. China has a lot going on right now. So this is one of the most talked about stocks. It's just something to keep in mind. Expected IPOs, we have BFAI. On December 1st, we have RAYA and Jewel, JEWL. Then on the 2nd, GNLX. Earnings, notable earnings today, we have Billy, we have W Day, CRWD, Crowd, HPE. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we have Snow, XPEV, BBW, GCP, SPOK. Thursday, KRTD, NNDM, Nano Dimensions, DLTH, Ulta, ChargePoint, and Soul. And then on Friday, Kirk. All right. Now, we got the Consumer Confidence Report. All right. Also, the Schiller Home Price Index is out. Oh, that's going to be interesting to see what's going on with the housing market. Then Thursday, we got PCE coming out. Friday, new jobs report and unemployment. Biotech on the 30th, which is tomorrow. FDA approvals expected on RETA, YMAB, SCYX. Unusually high volume. Again, this one's been on the watch list right here. Calls them. Look at this thing. Continuing to run, bro. Continuing to run. I mean, proof of concept right there, bro. This thing's been on the watch list now for, I don't know, over a week. Maybe like 2 weeks. Showing proof of concept from way back here, bro. Look at that. And wow, was it cheap. And still is. Still is. Under $1, bro. But looking at this chart, I mean, look at that. Hitting the criteria for a multi-day runner over and over. And it's looking like it's hitting the criteria again. Now, what I will say is off the open, there's always volatility and people are going to take profits. So I would not be trying to jump into this thing right off the open. You feel me? Let them take profits or whatever if you are interested in trading it. All right? But look, this thing's running up in pre-market. And as of now, it hasn't given back. It hasn't given back, not even half of the run up. So I'll say on this thing, you'd be wanting it to at least hold this level. I would consider this a key level right here. Right here, the 66, especially if it holds this level. I mean, any of these levels, bro. If it can hold this level, it'd be great. If it can hold this one, even better. Right here. All right. If it can definitely hold this 74, 75 cents around here, definitely. But definitely, if we can hold this level, bro. What else is on the watch list? Calms. Look, another one off the watch list. Meeting the criteria for multi-day runners. What else we got on here? Look, another one here. Meeting criteria for multi-day running, bro. I mean, yeah, cheap penny stocks. They're running up and at least holding on to some of their gains, bro. So those are meeting the criteria again to be multi-day runners. This is all stuff off the watch list. All right, we got Mullen. Mullen's a frequent on the watch list. I mean, it always finds a way to keep itself relevant. And I mean, that's all we care about as traders, bro. Yeah, the fundamentals on this thing are shady. So what? We don't care, bro. Honestly, no one's really trading or investing long term right now. Maybe the hedgies are, but if you're trading intraday, I don't think you're really investing long term right now, just because the volatility is so crazy. Another one off the watch list. Nano Vibronics. Look at that thing. Showed some proof of concept yesterday, right? Ran up, ran up decent. And look at this thing in pre-market. Remember when I said what goes up must come down? But notice it ran up and came down, right? Actually went backside, but it is kind of putting in a higher low relative to where it started running from. You feel me? So, I mean, there's still some proof of concept there. And plus, we're still over the 120. All right? So, kind of just wanted to do like a different format today for pre-market. You know what I mean? Bring you guys some value. Now, other than that, I mean, we have like about 5 minutes left until market open. Morning catalysts. You know, I went over some of the ones with high volume. We also have ASPI and volatile price discovery mode as a new IPO. All right, DRS had massive pump in the pre-market before dumping and losing most of it. OTIC top gainer this morning with unusual right here autonomy. It's meeting some criteria. It's really cheap though. I mean, it's like a penny stock, but it's front side and it is holding on to some of his gains, right? Look, it ran up here, you know, sold off, ran up. I mean, key level on this thing would be here. If it can hold that level and not sell off past it, I say, you know, there's still something there. Key level, we're here, bro. If it breaks down past that, I wouldn't really be too much interested in it. All right. Other than that, just like Tesla's been doing something lately, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'll have to see what's up with this thing. Market open within 4 minutes. Look, Tesla kind of gapped up a little bit. Yeah, I mean the market kind of gapped up, but then sold back off. So I don't really. I mean, we just got to see how things shake out, bro.